Welcome to Parsimony, your all-in-one business management solution. Today, we will be guiding you through the process of creating a communication in the CRM module. By the end of this video, you'll be confident in using the system to manage your customer interactions. Let's get started. Once you log in, navigate to the CRM module and click CRM on the sidebar menu. Here, you'll see the CRM dashboard, which provides an overview of your sales pipeline, leads, and customer interactions. Click Communication under Sales Pipeline. Here, you'll see a list of all the communications associated with your customers. To create a new communication, click on the Add Communication button on the top right corner of the screen. This will open the new communication form, where you can enter the details of your communication. Next, select the contact from the drop-down list. Fill in the subject field with a brief description of your communication. Compose your message in the message box. You can format the text using the editing tools provided. You can also attach any relevant documents or files by clicking on the Attach button and selecting the files you want to include. Once you've entered all the necessary information, click on the Send button at the bottom of the screen to save the communication. You can also relink your communication based on reference doc type. From Communication List, click the subject you want to relink, then click Relink button at the top menu. Select reference doc type based on your communication. After selecting, click Relink button. It will change the status from open to linked status. And that's it. You've successfully created a communication in the CRM module of Parsimony. You can now easily keep track of all your interactions with your customers in one place. Thank you for watching our tutorial. We hope this has helped you better understand how to use the communication feature in Parsimony. Stay tuned for more tutorials on how to make the most of your Parsimony experience.